Hello again. Thanks for joining me here in my studio. I'm Jennifer with Watercolor Girlfriend, and today we're gonna make this really fun animal print. Bright, kind of crazy, and we're gonna keep it simple. So we're just gonna use 3 ingredients. We're going to use the black oil pastel, which you've seen me use a lot of white ones. If you want to go back and look through my videos, you'll see me use white a lot, but I've been trying the black one. I've used it a couple of times and it's kind of cool. I hope you like what's going on here. And I'm going to use the liquid watercolor. Let's see if we can get that in focus. Not so much. You'll see it a little more in the video. So I like to incorporate liquid watercolor as well. It's bright, bold, it's really fun, so it was perfect for this video. I hope this inspires you, and please excuse I got this lovely mosquito bite on my walk this morning. And somebody smashed it, my husband smashed it right on my face. Killed it good, but still left a nice itch, so in remembrance of him. All right, enjoy the video. Now, like I said, we're gonna use the black oil pastel. I often use the white. I love the black as well, so we're gonna get started with that with our animal prints. Now, that looks fun already. We're going to use the colors we talked about. Pink, like a bright green. We're going to try to stay as bright as possible. I think we're going to incorporate some of these liquid watercolors like we talked about. And we want to use some yellow. I want it to be fun and kind of 80s. So let's get to it. So if I want to use kind of a bright pink, I have a couple of options. I have some brighter pinks here in the watercolor, and then like I said, the liquid watercolor. So I'll incorporate those. Now while this is still wet, you can add this. You can just drop it in. You can give it some exciting textures in there. Now you can just let it dry. You can move it around. You can grab some from here. Add it into this other area. Maybe a smidge more of this. It's a pretty cool color, huh? Now I want to get a vibrant blue, and we might be doing the same thing. Let me grab my blue liquid watercolor so I can add that in there. Can let them bleed in to each other. So it dried pretty nice, although I did not mix these, shake them up, so there's a little bit of sediment in them, which I think is fine. I like the texture. Now I'm going to add some yellow. And I was thinking I was going to add this richer, deeper yellow. It's kind of orangey, but I think I'm going to go with bright. Great, I like that. And I don't think I need any of the liquid. It's nice and bright the way it is. All right, I think we're gonna use this nice bright green color now. Got this happy leaf color, leaf green. Really ties it together. Great. That's nice and bright, just the way it is. I could add some liquid watercolor or some other, I have another color liquid watercolor, so this is more of a richer green. But I think I like it just the way it is. I'll fill in a little bit more in these pink areas. Great, I like some of the texture that comes through, but I also eliminated some of that. I've got the lighter pink and the darker pink. You could completely fill that in if you wanted. I think that looks fun. We're gonna let that dry and then take off the tape. Great, it's all dry. And we're gonna get that tape off of there so we can see the finished piece. Pretty cool, huh? It's nice and bright. Fun. Could do it any direction you'd like. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had fun watching me make this animal print, bright animal print. Maybe it inspired you to create one yourself, or you just enjoyed watching. Happy painting!